How to add a text box to the product page in Shopify. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your product more attractive on Shopify. Open up the web browser. Now search shopify.com. Open up the site and click on Login button. Tap on My Store from Shopify Stores. Your Shopify account is open by clicking on the app from Dashboard. Now from here, click on App and Sales Channel Settings. Click on Shopify App Store. Your App Store is now open. Then search text box in the App Store. Click on the text box app. Now click to add an app. Then tap to install the app. Your app is now installed. You can see the subscription details like $2.99 every 30 days. Now click on the previous tab. You can see how to add text box or text field to your product page, giving your customers the possibility to leave notes. Text product option is your kit to add powerful text fields in minutes to your product's variants and collections. Create multiple text fields, collect data from customers, and more. Now click on the App Store from the top. Your text box is now ready to use. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.